Assalamualaikum. My name is Amar. So I will explain to you about the history of wind energy. So in this slide, wind is the one of the renewable energy. This energy is the among the earliest energy resource found in the world. So it has been used to power boats, operate water pump, and used as solar lumber. The proof of wind energy was the invention of the windmill in early 7th century. So in early civilization, Egyptian and ancient China used wind as source of energy. So we move to operating system of wind. So how wind convert into electrical energy? Wind turbine convert kinetic energy in wind into mechanical power. So in ancient time, the mechanical power is used for specific tasks such as pumping water. Now, the mechanical movement has been utilized to spin a shaft. The shaft is connected to a generator and it will spin the propeller around the rotor, and this spinning produce an electrical current. So as you can see, this is the cross-sectional of a wind turbine. There is hub, drive shaft, main gearbox, generator, and rotating bearing. So this is the basic of the wind turbine. So thank you. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Mizwaruddin. Now we'll move to the components of the wind turbine and working principle of the wind turbine. So we go to the components first. The first component is anemometer, lightning rod, nacelle control cabinet, induction generator, fail-safe disc brake system, gearbox, access ladder, yaw damper, pitch control safety system, fiberglass blade, and tower. So you can refer the component to the picture on the right side of the slide. Okay, now we go to the working principle. The working principle is a simple operation. So when the wind strike uh, the blades and rotor will spin. And then when both rotor and blades spin, the main shaft and gearbox also will spin. And then because of this, the generator will spin and then produce electrical output. So that's it for the operation. So we move to the next presenter.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We continue with advantages of wind energy. The first one is no pollution because it is one of the renewable resources energy. Second one is it contains the lowest prices compared to the other renewable resources, and it also doesn't produce atmospheric emission that cause acid rain and greenhouse effect because it is a wind-based energy. And the second one, we go to disadvantages of wind energy. This wind energy will only depends on how energetic a wind site, means that if the site is having good wind, so it is better. But if it doesn't have a very good energetic wind, so the produce of energy is getting lower. So the next one is this wind energy cannot be stored, and the third is wind resources development may compete with other uses for the lands, means that in order to build the turbines, we need a space on the land. So there will be a competitions on for the uses of the land. And the last one is a lot of birds have been killed by flying into rotors, means that a lot of birds that are flying away around the turbines get killed when they go into rotors. That's all from me. Thank you.
So the next one is I will explain about the future technology development of wind energy. So the first one is by improving the performance, the capacity, which is the higher the heights, larger blades, and the superconducting magnets, capacity factor, higher heights, advanced control methods, individual pitch, smart blades, site-specific designs. And the second one is by reducing the cost, weight reduction, two-blade designs, advanced materials, direct drive systems, offshore wind, foundations, construction, and maintenance. So the picture below shows some of the size, the design of the blade. And the third one, by improving the reliability and availability, forecasting tools, technology, and models, dealing with system loads, direct drive, complete removal of gearbox. And the last one is novel designs, shrouded, floating, direct drive, and high altitude concept. So these some of the example of floating uh, sky wind energy and the floating sky wind energy. Thank you.